All right, Paul, you got your charts pulled up there for eBay?
Yep. You see it?
Yeah, look at that market cap. What is it?
Look at this. In March, it was 28 bucks. Now it's 50. It got as high as $60 a share. Market cap is 35 billion. Look at this PE, Seth. 7.
Wait a minute.
Now remember, their price to sales ratio is 3. Remember, the other ones were 18 and 50 and all these big numbers. So this is a 7 PE, very low, 25% profit margin, 75% gross margin. This is awesome.
Great.
Small dividend of 1.3%, but it's something. So check marks on both.
How about revenue growth? Pillar number 3, Paul, revenue growth over the past 5 years.
This is all organic, 8.6 billion to 10.8.
Wow.
And I bet you in the last year, they probably did even better than that. Yeah, wow, 20% revenue. That's incredible. They're up to 12.2 billion in the last 12 months. That's incredible. Good for them.
How about profit growth? Pillar number 4.
1.725, 1.786. So barely up, but it is a check mark.
That's 4 straight check marks for eBay, Paul.
Yep. And number of shares outstanding.
Pillar number 5, number of shares.
1.2 billion down to 850. So they're taking their free cash flow and they are buying back shares.
Okay. Current assets over current liabilities is pillar number 6.
Current assets, 6.7 billion. Current liabilities, 3.84 billion. Check mark there. Nice job.
Wow. Okay. Free cash flow growth. What is their free cash flow, Paul?
All right. It was 3.4 billion down to 2.6. So an X there. Let's do the average over the last 5 years. You ready?
I'm ready. Go ahead.
So you have 3.4. We have 2.6. We have 2. We have 2.5. And we have 2.2.
2.3 is the average?
Is that the average?
Yeah, I think so.
Now,
2.3.
I will say this, guys. This is a very slow growing company, but it is the dominant one. It is the dominant one.
Are you surprised in 20 years, Paul, there really hasn't been a competitor to eBay, and I don't see one?
Isn't that incredible? You're absolutely right, Seth. That is absolutely incredible. Like, what is the competitor to eBay? Tell me one. Like, Amazon's not even a competitor to eBay. They don't do the same thing. eBay is this auction marketplace thing where it's totally different. You know what I mean?
You were talking about, so we came up with the free cash flow of 2.3. Their market cap is 100. So what do you think about pillar number 8 is price to free cash flow?
Their market cap is 34, Seth.
Oh, sorry. I'm on the wrong one. Sorry. Yeah, 34. My apologies. Thanks.
So my personal opinion is I like eBay sub $45. So what's 15 times 2.3? That's 35. Oh, it's about where it's at right now, actually.
35. Yeah, 35.
Yeah, so I look at it going, okay, it's probably worth what it's worth right now. Maybe it was $50. I don't remember, but I have some eBay shares and I have a lot of puts on eBay. I like eBay. Dominant in their market. They're not going anywhere, in my opinion. They generate decent cash flow. And in the last year, let's see how their cash flow has been for the last year. Trailing 12 months, 2 billion. It's actually decreasing. I don't like that very much. Shoot. Why is it decreasing? That's so weird. It's really strange. Oh, well. I still like them. I still like them as a, I still think they're a good stock. I think they're going to be worth, let me see here. Let me see what I have eBay worth according to my model. 55 to 85, depending on how big or small the margin is and all that stuff. So I do think it's got some upside potential here.